Good morning, children. Welcome back again. Children, today we will start the revision of Lesson 7 Microsoft Word 2007. As I have told you before that Microsoft Word is a word processing software. Children, MS Word allows us to type text on a computer in a simple and effective manner. Children, the question arises, what can we do with MS Word? We can type letters, we can make changes in the text, we can add pictures in the document, we can also copy, move, save and also print the text. Children, it is an application software that helps us to type, edit and format the text. Children, we can also save and print a part or whole of the document. Children, we can also keep the document error free using spelling and grammar feature. Next is children, components of MS Word. Children, the Word application opens a blank document with the temporary name document 1. This is your temporary name document 1 here. And children, it also displays a blinking cursor on the top left side of the window. This one. This is your blinking cursor on the top left side of the window. This cursor is used to type the text. Children, the open application of MS Word displays two windows on the screen. The larger window is called the application window and the smaller window which is inside the application window is called the document window. Look children, this is your application window. This is the larger window children. And the smaller window is inside the application window here. This is called your document window. This portion children. This is also called your working area or document window. Children, the application window, this window. The application window helps the user to communicate with the MS Word program. And children, this window, your document window, this window is used for typing, editing and formatting the text. Yes children, in the components of Microsoft Word, your first component of Microsoft Word is title bar. As I have told you just now, that title bar is on the top of the screen here. Look at children. It displays the name of the current document and application. Next is children, quick access toolbar here. It is present on the title bar. It provides us with access to commands we frequently use. By default, save, undo, redo here children appear on the quick access toolbar. Next is ribbon. Children, the ribbon is located just below the title bar. Look here children, here. The ribbon has replaced the traditional menus which were present in the previous version of Microsoft Office. Children, the ribbon contains two parts, tabs and groups. And each tab contains related commands together arranged in different groups. Next is children, Office button. Children, this is your Office button. On clicking the Office button, a menu appears using which we can create a new file, open an existing file, save a file and perform other tasks. Next is children your document area. This is also called the working area children. It is the large area where you can type, edit and format the text. Here children. Next is children ruler line. Children, there are two ruler lines, horizontal ruler line and vertical ruler line. Two lines are here. Two ruler lines are here. Children, the horizontal ruler measures the width of the document page. It displays margin, settings, tab settings and indentation. And children, the vertical ruler line measures the height of the page. Next is children, status bar. Children, the status bar is at the bottom of the document area. Children, it displays the page number, number of words, zoom option, etc. Look here children, here. Next is your children scroll bar. Children, there are two scroll bars, vertical and horizontal scroll bar. Here, horizontal and there vertical scroll bar. The vertical and horizontal scroll bars are on the right and bottom side of the screen. Children, you can move the screen display towards right or left using the horizontal scroll bar and shift it up and down with the help of the vertical scroll bar. Okay children? So children, this is the function of components of MS Word 2007. Hope children you all have clearly understood it. Thank you children.